In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to restore a Nokia Nuron 5230 smartphone to factory settings. First thing you need to do is push the menu button, then go to Settings, and go to Phone, then go to Phone Management, then Factory Settings. So it's going to ask you restore all original phone settings. Phone will restart. Go to yes. Now you have to enter the lock code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. The phone is now rebooting. Okay, and now the Nokia Nuron 5230 has been restored to factory settings. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please show your support for the channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like the video, and thank you for tuning in.